major things that lead to trading mastery, trading success, is having a well defined plan. The moment you have a well defined plan, it gives you an edge in the marketplace, whether you want to be buying or whether you want to be selling. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you with an example of a US NAS 100 trade setup that I posted here a few days ago. You can go back and watch this video, debunking the holy grail of trading, what really drives success. And in this video, I was talking about my analysis on US NAS 100, why looking for the holy grail in trading is absolutely a waste of time. Instead of doing that, why not just follow a well-defined plan? And in this video right here, I'll recommend you try and watch this video because I shared a lot of insights. What is the reason why I'm looking for a buy or sell? In this case, I shared the reason why I'm looking for a sell, despite the fact that my 3-month time frame, 6-month time frame is bullish. A sell is me trading against the long-term overall trend, being bullish. And the reason I was looking for a sell from this key level was because of the things that I was saying. Confluences. I'm not looking for a one-hit wonder. I'm looking for a systematic approach into the marketplace. And right here, I talked about, if you watch this video, it's pretty much, I think, about 18 minutes video. I shared so much value, so much insight right there. I recommend you watch this video. Coming out to the real-time charts, what I talked about, I said this key level right here, I'm potentially looking for a sell from this key level. And the reason I'm looking for a sell is because firstly, we have everything is still right here on my chart. 7-day opening gap right here. If we click 7-day opening gap, as you can see, this is the 7-day opening gap. Secondly, weekly fair value gap. If we go to weekly, you can see the fair value gap right there. Let me clear my chart for 1 second. Fair value gap. And then we have price has hit an extreme premium. This is extreme premium zone. That is where I want to sell. Now, there's a 4-hour break of structure. If we go to 4-hour time frame, you can see very significant low, high break of structure. Another thing I was watching was high resistance liquidity at the new high created. And right here, we'll have high resistance liquidity resting right here. Now we'll go to low resistance liquidity resting at the lows right here. And fair value gap at the 4-hour point of interest I want to sell from. It's written all there. The blueprint. If you watch that video, everything was outlined on that video. What I'm looking for, why I'm looking for that, and how I'm gonna get the things I'm looking for to see. Right here is my 4-hour inefficiency fair value gap. All I want to see is price mitigated, break a 15 minutes time frame structure. And right here, you can see very clearly the moment price came into that position right there. Wait for 15 minutes BOS, break of structure. Right here we have buy side liquidity. Right here we have inefficiency. This purple line is the 7-day opening range gap. Look at how price came into it. Look at how it failed to close above it, showing me bearish momentum. Now, I'm not going to just randomly jump into the market hoping for the trade to work out in my favor. What do? I start to look for potential areas to sell from. Potential areas to sell from. Now, where are those areas? We'll go to 5 minutes time frame. We're looking for an inefficiency. And right here, we'll have an inefficiency. That's my potential first entry for sales. First entry for sales right there. Stop loss, the overall high. Right there. First entry, stop loss right here. Take profit. I'm going to share with you the take profit position. Now, the second entry is going to be the moment price mitigates this key level. I want to see at least a 2 minutes or a 3 minutes break of structure once that mitigation. And that is not just a slight break. I want to see a significant break of structure. Now, as you can see, significant break of structure. Let's go back to 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see right there, this one right here, price came in, mitigated it. First entry. Now let's look for the second entry. For the second entry, what we're looking for right here, so you can see price created a high that tapped into that purple line. The moment it digged into it, right here, we created a low. We created another high right here. We broke structure right here. The moment this structure got broken, right here, this right here was the break of structure. This last up close candle is my entry position right here. Stop loss, overall high. Take profits. Because we're counter trending, we're not going to be swing trading this. All we're looking for is the low hanging fruit areas that price can easily smash through. What are those areas? Example is an inefficiency. If we see an inefficiency on the higher time frame, we're using that as our exit position. So what do? We start to go to bigger time frame. For our time frame, we're looking for inefficiencies on the bigger time frame where we are going to exit the market. So right here, potentially this low right here is also another exit, but let's go to daily time frame and weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see right here the inefficiency right there. That's a beautiful exit position. The moment price hit it out, and you can see what happened right there. Price just literally mitigated that position, and then we've been in a consolidation. Two trades. First entry delivered a 1:4. Second entry delivered a 1:9.5. In total, this is a 1:15 both trades. And the analysis was posted right here on YouTube, and you can go through the video. 4 days ago, I posted this, and this trade basically played out from on Monday, being today. That's when this trade literally played out today and dropped drastically straight to the take profit position. So if you enjoy our content, feel free to always like. If you have any questions, leave your comments at the comment section, and feel free to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.